Hello people, God bless you as you come my way again. This is your girl Grace Better. I beg now me una sister. I beg if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, what you dey wait for? Just click. I no go take anything from you. You hear? No take anything. No they take money for your internet. And when you reach you say wash me, just use that and take put on for there. You hear? You know they hard. As you do, Baba God deal with you. You become my family, and when I pray, you will reach your body. God bless you. Today, I want to talk about politics in marriage. First, you go see I say, Ija, which one be politics in marriage again? Politics in marriage, that marriage will be say, or God say na him rights. Why madam say na him rights, so they'll call people for their ass so that make they come vote put just to prove say na their rights. This thing when I dey talk so it always dey common for women. It always dey common for women. I no see blame una because una no know say una don change to una house to campaign as where they for the campaign, where they for the vote, where they for the say na you win. Una no know. That's why I can't bring that awareness, can't give una. And if you dey do am before, so that make you know say you are doing wrong. You see, when they say politics is a dirty game, that's why when you see playing for your house, na see dirty game. When you dey try to bring your spouse down, why I say now, why I talk about women first, because now women if for common pass. For your area, if na man still do am, abeg men stop am. Don't bring politics to your home. Don't bring politics to your home. You understand? So if you dey always dey gather people together, say my husband, you don't see wetin my husband do, you don't see her, and you can't dey find people when you want prove you right. You can't dey find people when you want prove you right. You gather a call, you bring your husband to that, you summon her, you call your friend, even your best friend, you summon all of them. You summon all of them to your house. Now come the judge matter. Don't call the so say, my friend, you don't do this one well. Oh, my friend, you don't do this one well. What are you doing? You are bringing your husband down. And so it be for politics. Politics. You want bring your opponent down so that me for win. At the end, that opponent will become yeah. Now so some of una turn a husband too. And what did they pay me for inside this matter? After they don't narrate their husband, after they don't tell you say my husband is good for nothing.
Good evening, my great evangelist.
When they don't already tell you say my husband is good for nothing. But when you come follow the talk, say your husband is good for nothing, problem don't start. They will call they use this English. You insult my husband. My husband is my one and only. My husband is the best. But for your mind, you don't know say na you start and be. You don't know say na you start and. You don't start something finish. Person want follow you. Do one. Darling. Person want follow you. Do one. You come they talk say your husband is one and you're holy. That's why they bring and can't give you so. If you they do one before you, they bring your partner down. You they call everybody. You are not fit settle a matter again for us. You can't they call everybody for the environment. May they come help you talk put. Just what? Just to bring him down. And that thing they affect man psychology. They affect their brain. The man, you know, go even get up say you want to go work. When you bring man down too much, you know, go feel even me go out with friends. When you reach where people they, you know, go even feel talk. Even though you talk, your word will be useless. Nobody go reply now. Don't say na yeah man, because you yourself, you your wife, because now you know a past. You already call your husband yeah. Before you know, the man will be coming down. Before you know, the man will come down. Small, small, before you know, the man will come down. Before you know, he will become that useless man, may you call him. As I dey talk, and so many people no go understand where they go. Many people no go know, say, see why I dey talk this thing. Please, don't bring politics inside your marriage. Don't prove Mrs. Right and Mr. Right into your marriage. Wait till na two no fit settle. When be say you can't call people, make they come gather, make they come they talk just to prove you right. No verse. I felt try this a type, but wait till you no fit settle. Not be say all those people you call them, make they come able settle now. You just call them to say my husband is wrong, my wife is wrong. Now you forgot them. Come see wetin Papa Sagbo can't do today. Oh, you call all your friends. At the end, you want me your friends give that man respect. E get one day, get wetin happen. So one man called the that is fight come dey between two people. Now that man called the talk say, why wait? Now the other one call say, why they no see who they talk? You won't even say you never even fit talk to your wife. Now you want to talk to me. You see? Don't bring your spouse down for anything. I know say another people no get right to settle matter, but on a very good ground. No you calling people to come and see your useless husband. No you calling people to come and see your husband that cannot pay children's school fees. Because at the end of the day, people when you want go call, not be say they want to help you pay your school fees or your children's school fees. So not be say they want to help you take care of your children. Not be say they want to solve that problem for you. So what is the need? What is the need of bringing your partner down just to prove you are right? You don't get need. So that's why I bring this thing come, because they say now wetin person see for life, now they get sense. I beg my wonderful sisters and our garden. You don't get anybody when they prove right for. You don't get anybody when you want to judge your matter the way when you supposed to take your hand. So the best might be this. If your husband no they do as you want, bring her up. You know easy. Especially new marriage. New marriage can easily collapse. For other people, they shook mat enter. It take by the grace of God when you just new marry. Other people, you can't call that people, you can't see say, no be my husband, when no be boyfriend, when I call the friend before, no be so it be. Now so it be. Una marry. Una call the born. Maybe una just newborn, especially the one when be say you're newborn. That boy be they take care of follow himself. Now I call they take care of my baby. Joiner. Before you will be used to that system. It they hard. Why we women, we are always ready. Yes, we are always ready for anything. God created us like that. So men, you see say men I fear pass us. People will ask me now say why? Men I fear pass. You see say if man give girl belle now you go wrong, but where the woman want wrong, we want wrong leave the belle. You go take her. You will accept the fate. You understand? Please, don't bring politics into your house. Don't ever prove you are right and call other people to come and vote for you. At the end of the day, you won't gain anything. You won't gain anything from it. You don't gain anything from that thing when you do. So the best, and you're in art, settle it with him. Because we all know the good parts of our husband and the wife may marry. You all know the good parts before you marry that woman or before you marry that man. So the small one wey you dey lack, you no need to shout make everybody come know. You no need to bring everybody into your family. Abeg. Now people when you call into your family, now that's when they get, now they go give you. So that's why you no need to bring other people into your marriage, make they vote for you. I'll come on away another time. Abeg, if you dey pass by, you see this video, abeg, just click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And God bless you as you do. Bye bye and stay blessed. Ciao.